Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Piglet in Dress to Impress. So in this DTI fit reveal, we are channeling Piglet from the Hundred Acre Wood, and trust me, this look is pure pink perfections. So this is the Piglet look that I created, and let me show you how you can get this look. So first, let me start with the hairstyle. So for the hair, so first I'm going to use this curly hair, but only the bangs. And I'm going to change the hair color to this brown color. And here I'm going to go to the updo hair. Sorry. Let's start the pigtails here, this one, and toggle it into no bangs and change the color like the previous one. And then this updo in here, this one, and toggle it into only the bangs. So now you are done with the hair look. So after the hair is done, let's create the outfit. So first I'm going to use this top and change the color into this pink color, and the accent I'm going to use this color in here. You can copy my hex code for the outfit in here. This is the color for the accent, and this is the color for the corset, this one. Then I'm going to use this puff in here and color it pink. And I'm going to put on the stockings also in pink color. And for this skirt, I'm going to use this one, change the first color into the pink color, and second one this color, and third one go back to pink. And for the shoe, I'm going to use on this boots in here, change the color into pink and the texture matte. All pink like this. Then you're just going to put on some accessory here. I'm going to put on this one and color it pink. And then I'm going to put on some accessory like these earrings and this necklace, color it all white. And also these cat ears in the same pink color. And then I'm going to combine it with the bear ears on the code item, this one, using the same color like this. And after this you are done, and this is the final look for Piglet. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.